up here, you know. So them run call for some nurse and doctor and porter for swing on pan this. Nurse a swing on, doctor swing on, porter swing on. This can't go down.
Well. Look what the cat brought in. Damn. A next Bawdacat video. It looked like your boss up on a road trip. I didn't even watch the video yet. So we're gonna watch it together. I'm not gonna jump. I hurt my foot yesterday. So we're gonna dive in.
And them charge them there bar have a drink, you know. Sharp Friday night, you know. And I got a club, you know. And them say when them looking at such man glass, you know, like everybody a drink rum and tea.
Yes.
So glass would look clear like water same way, you know.
Yeah.
Looking at him glass, it dark like him a drink molasses, you know. So man, so then a wine up for your glass, so man. Yeah. Them say a man up to watch film glass. Watch you feed them glass, yes. Well, me not think nothing bad wrong with that. Yeah, but when the man them see him a sip up that, you know. Him sip up and him sip up him now. Nobody see when him a tap up him glass with him something in pocket, you know.
Yeah.
One
left always a glass full.
Yes, him left. Go club, brother. Me say from him attack stage go turn him down, you know. Say them don't know why him have tough up in a pants tonight like him go plan for them. Yeah. So girl go turn him down right there, so now you know him not have nothing for turn to, you know. Man start feel hard pain in the night, then now you know, cause this get over stiff. Yes, no man. Man say you know him start tell him charge them say something nothing to him. I feel pain. Man say yeah, what you mean? Then him say I feel pain down a load, you know? Yeah. Man say then that no sound good. What you take? What you do? Say him not take nothing, him not do nothing.
Just this stuff now, man.
Hold on, man. Talk to him and tell him what wrong. Say him want go up to him hospital. And them say this look serious, them run with him. And then go up there and doctor and nurse and porter take off clothes off a boy, you know. Man pitch tent in a hospital high up here, you know.
Man pitch tent in a hospital high up here, say, you know. What that cat is say? Man hospital, I know it's a mistake still, but you know, it's funny, man hospital. Like, when you say about that cat, we ain't going there. But I want to know what was in that drink. Was it ginseng? Was it Viagra? About Viagra? If I'm not mistaken, Viagra Blue. Alright. We're gonna find out what was in that drink together.
So them run call for some nurse and doctor and porter for swing on pan this. Nurse a swing on, doctor swing on, porter swing on. This can't go down. Them must say no young man, why you take? Say him not take nothing.
See you way?
Yeah, him not take nothing, him just go have a drink at the bar. So man say wait man, we a go down there go look big glass when them did a drink out. When them go down there, them search and them find it kind of hard to find it different from all the rest of them. It's stain, you know.
And dark.
Dark. Plastic cup, you know, brother. And me say it dark, it's stain. And the man them carry it up at the hospital. Show doctor them say, well, like this him trouble. Cause him can't talk, him can't do nothing, him can't even see much people in our ward, you know.
Pain.
What happened to you, man? Pain. When them call for more porter to come swing pan this. Porter say no, them can't swing out this. This can't go down. Call the doctor, make him give my injection to bring it down.
That's Christ.
Doctor chew on one pan boy. Come like this, make it stiffer. Yeah. Him tell doctor say look like him can't see good. My sight a go. Doctor chew on one more pan him, make can't help this over stiff. That trouble eyesight, you know, cause you know, one vein to your nerves, you know, man. Hey. It's a liquid eyesight, you know, not care much people there in front of him, not see them again, you know.
No, sir. I am now curious. Curiosity killed the cat. But right now, I'm not the cat. I hear my cat, but me want to find out what was in that cup. Because I want to stay far from that drink. No, honestly, no. The porter then said they're not going to swing on that. That part took me out as well. Cat, what you talk about? Why for that, cat? Why for that? Anyways, I want to chat out the thing. Let's watch out the thing.
Yes.
Well, doctor, tell him, say, young man, one chance to this, you know. It's either you leave it and you're blind, it'll go blind you.
What you choose?
Or you have to go slit it. Say, nah, deal with no slitting, you know.
Where you can't sleep?
Cut the vein.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Say, nah, deal with no slitting, him want it to go down. Doctor try with him again with another injection. Can't help him. Him turn to doctor and tell him, say, slit it, doc. Cause pain more than anything else now, you know, man. And your eyesight a go.
Pressure.
Yeah, him say, doctor, fi slit it.
It's a bossy pipe.
Doctor test all the cup, them send cup a lab and everything go test. No Tantaria boy drink.
So what Tantaria good for?
Tantaria something where them get ass. And big animal they attract. Yeah, like them say one grass straw to a drum of water.
Something like that, Danny one.
Danny not fi drink that we kill him. Not trouble Danny. And him go drink it like, you know, him a pour out in a cup. Look how strong them animal they is to me and you. And them say one grass straw to a drum of water for the animal. And him a pour out in a glass. Him looking at kill him pan spot, him drop flesh
So,
right here.
come on, so him still
Yeah, him drop flesh, man. Him couldn't live out.
Just
And before him dead, him blind. Yeah, man.
Still trouble in eyesight.
Trouble in eyesight, see him with.
So him kill off himself.
Him kill off himself, man. Satisfied with what you can do, man. Just good with what you can do, brother.
So all Johnny then know where like he was him supplement and then Ray, Johnny.
Supplement boots up.
Yeah, and he say he do it 2 times a night. Like in back piece a night. 2 times a night.
So that him a buy a supplement for back face?
Yeah, Johnny.
Supplement a good drink, you know, good food drink. You can feed your body and strengthen your body.
Yes.
So good if you have some nice girl to deal with.
Yes.
And strap up a night. So you can drink up your supplement punch and, you know, your Guinness and your cow's milk and them something there, you know. Strong up body. But nothing go. Yes.
How could they leave Johnny out of this story? So, the man drink medication for animals. My gosh, he not like himself. All because he want tear down one stripper, he want tear down a go-go front. Hey, then go there with them would bury, you know. Them and him would bury. If him they ever catch one of them with a horsepower there. A horsepower, yes, because a horse medication the boss take. So the boss end up losing his strap. Losing his manhood. Hope YouTube no block the part there. Jesus. But to our cat son, it sound like a true story. Then Johnny get involved because Johnny a drink up his supplement and boost him up just to rub one out. Or a few out there say at night time. Jaja. Boy, Johnny can't escape no bullet. A stray one lick him. Anyways, the story time that was good. It can't be real. Have to be fiction. And Bawdacat make it seem like a real thing. But it was fun. I had a good laugh. Hope you guys had a good laugh. Just like up the video. Leave a comment downstairs. Subscribe and tap the notification bell for me, please. And also share the video with all your exes. I'm out.